Hey friends, if you encounter the issue Windows backup says 0 bytes, does nothing, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's the thing, we need to understand that this issue is with the hard drive itself. And we can try a check the scan, but usually it doesn't help because it means that it has usually gone down really bad. But we'll try a check the scan first. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. It will need a while to configure the scan and then reboot your system. It will need a while to complete the check the scan. But if it doesn't help, then here's what my recommendation is. Go to amazon.com or any vendor that you wish to buy from. Search for SSD and then find a compatible SSD and buy it and install it on your system, because that is the only thing that you can practically do. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.